sketch first one, x of t minus 2, x of t minus 2. Second one, x of 2t, 2t. Third one, x of t by 3, t by 3. Fourth one, x of minus t. For x of t is equal to u of t. X of t is equal to u of t. 3 times they asked in the exam for 9 marks. For 9 marks. See, we have to sketch 4 different signals we need to sketch, that is x of t minus 2, x of 2t, x of t by 3, x of minus t. We need to sketch x of t minus 2. Where is our x of t? Here they had given for x of t is equal to u of t, means they are telling that x of t is your u of t. We already know that u of t. What is u of t? U of t is equal to 1 when t is greater than or equal to 0. 0 for t is less than 0, means our signal will be like this. This is your u of t, unit step function. This is your t. This will be from 0 to infinity, 0 up to infinity. The signal will be vary. Why? Because this is unit step function. Okay, this is if u of t is equal to x of t. So this is my x of t for this problem. Okay, now I need to solve for first case, that is x of t minus 2. See here, observe the x of t. The signal will be starts at 0, ends at infinity, means the limits for this problem I am going to consider from 0 to infinity. What I need to find? I need to find x of t minus 2, so that the given x of t original signal is vary from 0 to infinity. I need to find t minus 2. Replace t by t minus 2. Replace t by t minus 2. 0 less than or equal to t minus 2 less than or equal to infinity. If I am going to add 2 for the throughout equation, I am going to get 0 plus 2, 2 less than or equal to t less than or equal to. If I am going to add 2 to the infinity, it will not be changed. Okay, for example, this is an ocean. Infinity is an ocean. If you add 2 cups of water, it will not be changed. If you are going to take 2 cups of water from the ocean, it will not be changed. That is the meaning. You can understand. If I am going to add 2 to the infinity, the value will not be changed. It will be infinity only. It means that I am going to add 2 cups of water to the ocean. Okay, that is the best example. Okay, that is your infinity. So that we need to sketch a signal from 2 to infinity of your original signal. Original signal is u of t is equal to x of t. Now I am going to plot. X of t minus 2 is between from 2 to infinity. Signal will be starts at 2, ends at infinity. This is amplitude 1. Always u of t will be amplitude 1. That is about your first one. Then try for second one. Please make a note of this first one and try for second one. We need to take same limits of x of t. Why? Because first case we find for x of t minus 2. Second case we need to find for x of 2t. X of 2t again 0 less than t less than infinity. T is replaced by 2t in the next step. 0 less than 2t less than infinity. I need to get t in this, so that I am going to divide it by 2. 0 by 2 I am going to get 0 less than t less than. If I am going to divide 2 with respect to infinity, you will get an infinity. It will not be changed. The limits from 0 to infinity, means here also 0 to infinity. Whatever you have x of t, you will get a same signal x of 2t also. For x of 2t also, we are going to get this is t, this is x of 2t. The signal is starts at 0, ends at infinity. 0, so on infinity. Amplitude 1. This is about second case. Try for third and fourth. Just x of t, x of minus t, it will be reflection version. Next, take third one. Third one, 0 less than t less than infinity. T is replaced by t by 3. 0 less than t by 3 less than infinity. Multiply by 3 throughout equation. 0 less than t. T by 3 into 3, 3 gets cancelled, you will get 3. Again you will get infinity. If I am going to get the same 0 to infinity, same signal, but this is change x of t by 3 I am going to get from 0 to infinity. Amplitude 1. This is about x of t by 3. Then fourth one. Already we know x of t. This is our x of t. Now I need to write x of minus t, means reflection version of the x of t will be x of minus t, 0. This will be infinity, minus t, 1. This is your fourth solution. For each one, they will give 2 marks. 2, 2, 2, 2. Remaining one we need to sketch for u of t and x of t. For this they will give 1 marks. Like that they are going to divide. Got everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
We'll move to next problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take one homework problem. Sketch Take one homework problem. Sketch. First one, x of minus 2t plus 1. Second one, x of minus 3t minus 2. X of t, I will write x of t. Okay, take x of t. This is your x of t. For this signal, you have to find x of minus 2t plus 1 and x of minus 3t minus 2. Try this problem for homework. See, whatever the problems I will give homework, that you have to solve in assignment book. Okay. Whichever the problems I will give, that you have to solve by using assignment book. In external,
Sir,
after
from
what?
today, sir?
Sorry?
From today onwards, sir?
No. Previous only I had given some problems, no? Homework problems.
Sir, those we have solved in classwork, sir.
Okay, once again you solve in assignment book, no issues.
And we don't have assignment books yet.
Keep one 200 pages book.
Okay, sir.
You will get more assignment questions in this subject. Why? Because it's a problematic subject. You will get more problems.
Okay, sir.
Take next problem. Sketch. Sketch. First one, x of 2n minus 3. Second one, x of n by 2 plus 3. Where x of n is equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma minus 1. Here we have an arrowhead across 1. It means that it is time origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, left side minus 1, minus 2. Okay, that is a time. Make a note in bracket. In discrete time signal, fraction does not exist. Fraction does not exist. Fractions does not exist. See, for the given signal, first we need to write a graphical representation. How we need to write? They had given x of n in terms of pulses. We need to write that This is with respect to n, that is samples, and here time slot 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2. How I am going to get after 0 only 3 here? This is arrowhead indicates that it is a time origin 0, 1, 2, 3, left side -1, -2. This is samples. This is samples. These are amplitude. These are amplitude. So across 0, what is the amplitude? Across 0, I have an amplitude of 1. Then across 1, I have amplitude of 2. I have amplitude of 2. Then across 2, I have an amplitude of 3. Across 3, I have an amplitude of -1. Then for -1, again I will have -1. At 2, at -2, I have an amplitude of +2. +2. This is my x of n with respect to graphical representation. This is a discrete time signal. By make use of this, I am going to find for x of 2n-3 first. Okay, x of 2n-3. Here also we have a 2 categories. First one will be time shifting. Then we have a time scaling. Okay, first we need to try for time shifting. n-3 we need to write. Okay, the signal is vary from -2 to +3. So that I will take first step 1, same procedure. Step 1, time shifting. Okay, take time slot -2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3. Why I am going to take n? This is discrete time signal. We need to take a n. We should not take t here. Why? Because this is discrete time signal. When we are going to deal with the continuous time signal, we have to take t. Now we have to take n. Okay. What we need to find? We need to find n-3. Replace n by n-3 in the next step. So that -2 less than or equal to n-3 less than or equal to 3. In the next step, I need to get a n throughout n. And means I'm going to add 3 to the entire equation. -2 plus 3 less than or equal to n-3 plus 3 less than or equal to 3 plus 3. Means 3 gets cancelled. -2 plus 3 will get 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. The same signal, it will be from 1 to 6. Means this will be moving towards right side. For the 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this -2, what we have an amplitude, that will be starts at 1. Then this 3 we have a -1, that will be ends at 6. Okay, I will sketch the signal. You see once. The signal will be starts at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever the same signal, you can write. Here at 1 we have a 2, then we have -1, then we have 1, 2, 3. This will be -1. Got everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
This is your x of n-3. This is your x of n-3. Now we need to find 2n-3. We already got n-3. 2n-3 we need to get. For that we have to take this sample. Okay, that will be vary from 1 less than n less than 6. N is replaced by 2n. 1 less than 2n less than 6 divided by 2. Entire the equation will get 1 by 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3. See the condition. In discrete time signal, fractions does not exist. Here we have a 1 by 2. Should not consider 1 by 2. After 1 by 2, what is the signal we'll get? See here 1 by 2. For example, for this signal only I have got 2n-3. No. For this I am going to take throughout divided by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2. It's a fraction. No need to consider 2 by 2 is a 1. We can consider this one. We can consider this one. 3 by 2. Don't consider. 4 by 2. 2 2s are. This we can consider. 5 by 2. Don't. We should not consider. 6 by 2. It will be 3. We need to consider 1 at amplitude minus 1. Again 2 amplitude plus 2. 3 amplitude minus 1. That we need to consider. Okay. Okay, if you will get doubt with respect to this, my 1 by 2 we got, we should not consider 1 by 2. After 1 by 2, what is the value? We'll get 1. 1. Then after 1, we'll get 2. Then 3. How I got 1? 1 with respect to 2 by 2. What is the amplitude of that? We'll get minus 1. How I got 2? 4 by 2, I got 2. What is the amplitude? Amplitude will be plus 2. How I got 3? 6 by 2. What is the amplitude? Amplitude will be minus 1. Like this, we need to write. This is your x of 2n, sorry, 2n minus 3. minus 3. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, please make a note of this and try for second one. X of n by 2 plus 3. Yes, somebody is trying to speak. Tell me. Any doubts?
No, sir.
ಯಾರೋ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Good. Okay, you can try this second problem in the assignment book. Okay. Okay, shall we move to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Take next problem. Sketch first one, x of 2n minus 1. Second one, x of minus 3n plus 2, where x of n is equal to 4 minus n is vary from minus 2 to plus 3. Can you try this problem now? First find for x of n. I want to know the values of x of n. Can anyone tell me what is the value you got? Here x of n is equal to 4 minus n. N is vary from minus 2 to plus 3. Means each case we need to substitute the value. It will be vary from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 we have a samples. Okay. Substitute n for first case minus 2. 4 minus of minus 2. You will get 6 for minus 2. Then 4 minus of minus 1. You will get 5 at minus 1. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 at 0. 4 minus of 1 at, value 3 at 1. 4 minus of 2. You will get 2 at time slot 2. 4 minus of 3, you will get 1 at a time slot of 1. At a time slot of 3. This is the signal we got. At minus 2, we have an amplitude 6. At minus 1, we have an amplitude 5. At 0, we have an amplitude 4. At 1, we have 3. 2, 2, 3, we have 1. Okay, now I need to sketch the signal. Sketch the signal. This is n. The signal starts at minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. First one amplitude will be what is the amplitude at minus 2? We'll have 6. We'll have 6. Then at minus 1, we have 5. 5. At 0, 4. At 1, 3. At 2, 2. At 3, 1. This is the graphical representation we got from -2 to +3. Okay, this is for x of n. For this also you will get marks in the external exam. We need to find x of n by make use of this relation and that limits the samples. By make use of this, use this calculation and find the graphical representation. This carries 2 marks. Then if you are going to find for first and second, this first and second, each one will be 3 marks. Like that, they will divide the marks. Now first find for -2 n minus 1. First we have to find for n minus 1. N minus 1, what is the limits we got? Have you got the solution for first n minus 1 time shifting? Please, can anyone speak out whether you got or I need to solve?
Yes, sir.
Got, sir.
What is the limits for time shifting? Case 1.
-1 to 4, sir.
-1 to 4. Just you move this original signal, what we have in this signal, just move for one step. From -1 to 4 means this -2 will come to -1, -1 will come to 0, 0 will be coming to 1, 1 will coming to 2, 2 will be coming to 3, 3 will be moving to 4th place. Why? Because first new will be got -1 to 4. Then by make use of -1 to -4, use for 2n, 2n minus 1. Take the time scaling -1 to 4, replace n by 2n, you will get 1 by 2 to 2. -1 by 2 to 2 you are going to get. So that we don't have -1 by 2, take 0, 1, 2. How you got 0? How you got 1? How you got 2? That we need to find by make use of previous signal. Follow same procedure what we followed in the last problem. See, graphical representation you have to try. If I am keep on solving, you can copy it and you will go. You will not get anything. Can anyone tell me to the second step, time scaling? Sample with amplitude. Got the solution for first one? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Got the solution for both the problems?
The second one doing, sir.
Second one solving. Okay, solve. Okay, take some assignment problems. Sketch x of 4 minus n. Second one, x of minus 2n plus 1, where x of n is equal to x of 8 is equal to 8 minus x of n is equal to 8 minus n into u of n minus u of n minus 8. Limits from 0 to 7. Sketch x of 2n minus 3, second one minus 2n plus 1 for x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 is the origin.